If you have a house in Lordstown, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Lordstown, Ohio, and I'm going to explain to you really quickly why so many sellers of property in Lordstown prefer to work with us instead of working with a traditional buyer that's got to qualify for some mortgage or work with a real estate agent, because with us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. True as is. You don't need to fix anything or go to the Home Depot or clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away, right? Anything you want, you can take. Anything that you don't want, you can leave behind, and we'll take care of everything for you. We're never going to ask you to put any money into the house, hire a handyman, or anything like that whatsoever, because we're different than a traditional buyer because we're a cash buyer. That's what allows us to buy it as is. We don't need to rely on the inspections and the appraisals and this lender approval. With a traditional buyer, that's typically what you're going to get. First thing they do is send the inspector through, scrutinize the house, test every outlet, test every light switch, test every ceiling fan, open and close every door, window, put together pages and pages. I have seen inspection reports from these traditional buyer inspectors, over 100 pages. It's just ridiculous, right? And this is all going to be used against you to get either extensions because they can't close and they need another 30 days, 60 days. And when is this thing going to close? It is all left. You're giving up all control to this lender when you work with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage, right? Because then if you survive the inspection, now they got to send the appraiser through. And the appraiser is oftentimes worse than the inspector because they work directly for the bank. They could cancel this thing at any time, put you right back to square one, complete waste of your time. And in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by that they weren't able to perform and close is another day you got to pay utilities, insurance, property taxes, huge opportunity cost. With us, you tell us when you want to close. It's a cash deal, and we're going to buy it as is, and we're going to make you a fair offer. You can bypass all of that. And if this traditional buyer has a realtor or real estate agent involved and they want you to pay commissions now, that's more money right off your bottom line. Our job is to help you net more than you would get if you sold the traditional way, but it's going to be way more convenient as well. Convenience matters. So if you have a house in Lordstown and you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Lordstown and all surrounding areas. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to close. So if you want to move fast, we can move fast. If you need flexibility and you want to set a target future date, we can accommodate your needs that way as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands, part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure. We're never going to try some sales tactics or gimmicks. We're not a call center. We're not sending blast text messages out to everybody in Lordstown saying they'll buy their house, even though they've never been to Lordstown before. They've never been to the United States before. Some of these call centers that are saying they buy houses, they're not even in the USA. It is what it is. That's just the way real estate marketing happens these days. We're local. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials we're happy to share with you, and we're going to give you a fair shake. So if you have a house in Lordstown and you just want to see what your options are in selling, then give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.